If you are black, this video is for you. If you are not black, keep scrolling. This video is not for you. In the black community, if I ask you who's somebody who's powerful, somebody who has million, trillion, somebody who can change the world for the better, somebody who's known in the black community, who you gonna name me? You're gonna name me athletes, you're gonna name me celebrities, rappers, actors. But you forget that those are entertainers. We do not need more entertainers in the black community. We need educators. We need thinkers. Because you know everything about Jay-Z, 50 Cent, Puff Daddy, Chris Brown, Cardi B, City Girls. You know everything about those people. But do you know about Thomas Shawo? Do you know about Dr. Joseph? Do you know about Sankara? Do you know about Kenyatta? Do you know about Du Bois? Do you know about Marcus Garvey? I bet you do not. Why? Because in the black community, we have this conception of praising things that are meaningless, praising stupidity, praising being weak, praising being obese. Why is that? And the people that social media promote and put out there for black people are only people who gonna make you what? Make you dance, make you shake your ass, make you wish to have billions, trillions, make you wish to have bling bling, have the best car, the best house. But why don't they promote people who can make you think, people who can educate you? And also because those entertainers are making money off you, off your attention. However, the thinkers, the educators are the ones that are gonna empower you, gonna educate you, gonna remind you of your worth or your potential, and gonna show you how you can make your own money, how you can create your own wealth. If you are out here in the black community, and also we're talking about history, right? Which history are we talking about? The history that other races has teachers, or the history that is ours? Because if you know the history that is in those famous books, the history that other people have teach you, then I don't know which black story do you know. And we have this idea of black culture. Oh my God, everything for the culture. In my last YouTube video, I said, I'm going to say it again, I cancel culture. Do you know why I cancel culture? Because I'm not going to be part of a culture who promote obesity, who promote stupidity, who promote being weak, who promote and show our young kings and queens, black kings and queens, that if they want to succeed, they have to show their body, they have to be stupid, they have to be dumb, they have to twerk. No, I'm not part of that culture. The same culture that want to put black people down. The same culture that if somebody is smart, if somebody is intelligent, people are gonna make fun of them. Yes, I cancel culture. Because why don't we create a culture that empowers us, that makes us know our worth, our potential, our value, a culture that's going to promote healthiness, that's going to promote positivity, that's going to promote education, that's going to promote mental health, that's going to promote self-love, self-acceptance, self-discipline, self-education. Because how many black people do you know that hate the color of the skin, that hate the natural hair? Not because social media said that you have to have flat hair, you have to be light skinned, you have to have blue eyes in order to be worthy, in order to be successful, in order to be considered beautiful. Stop that crap. I'm not part of that. So I cancel culture. Because that culture we are promoting in the black community is not making us go nowhere. And we must learn story. Not the story that people tell you or other races tell you or you learn in school. Do your own research. And don't even believe me. Don't listen to me. Do your own research. You can ignore me, you can cancel me, but do your own research. Because guess what? If you don't have your own thinking, if you cannot develop your own way of your thought, if you don't have your own beliefs, if you don't have critical thinking, if you don't question things, other people are going to use you, manipulate you, abuse you, and treat you as a piece of shit because they know you are dumb, you are ignorant, you are stupid. So get educated. And because whoever controls your belief system, whoever controls your thoughts, whoever controls your mindset, that person controls your life. So black people, black is excellence, black is powerful. Black child, you are powerful. Black child, you are smart. Black child, you are intelligent. Black child, you are culture. Black child, you are a king and queen. Black child, you are a universe. Black child, you are a creator. So I have an assignment, homework for the black community. If you are black, this is your homework for you. I assign you to unlearn and relearn, to drop all the belief that make you hate yourself and that make you hate people from your own culture, people from your race. To drop the belief that want to tell you that you are inferior, that you cannot make it, that you have to act like somebody else from other races in order to be considered yourself powerful. Drop all of those beliefs. We have to unlearn all of those negative, toxic, all of those lies that we have been brainwashed to believe, and relearn new ways of living, remembering our ancestry, remembering our power. Because again, Black people, Black child, you are amazing. Black child, you are powerful. Black child, you are created. And I cancel culture because I'm not going to be a part of a culture that promote stupidity, that promote ignorance, that promote being weak, that promote being obese. And also, whoever says you that it's okay to be obese, okay to be ignorant, okay to be weak, okay, it's okay to be stupid, that person is beneficiating from you being stupid, ignorant, weak, and obese. Because if you are ignorant, stupid, and weak, that person power to control you, to manipulate you, to abuse you, and to do whatever that person wants for you. So get educated, Black child. Get powerful, Black child. Get self-discipline, self-worth, self-potential. Have your own way of thinking. Develop your own mindset. That way nobody can stop you. That way nobody can lie to you. That way nobody can control you. That way nobody can manipulate you. But yeah, I cancel Black culture. If you guys want to cancel me because I said as a Black person, go ahead, cancel me.